That's why we're putting on programs like this. We recognize, as we've talked to more than 100 different small and medium manufacturers across Southern California, that cybersecurity is not only a big challenge, but also that it was not something that a lot of people were prepared for.
Why are we here today? Why is cybersecurity important? So, one of the items that was issued by the DoD to help small businesses had their answer to this question. Today, more than ever, the Departments of Defense relies on external contractors, that's you, to carry out a wide range of missions, and they share sensitive data with these entities. One of the things that this process is doing is it is forcing you to be aware of many of the threats that are out there, which has a benefit to your organization so that you don't get shut down by the ransomware. That is, in other words, if you structure your data in ways that you've got backups, it ends up contained to a subset of your system. These requirements, in trying to meet them, are helping protect your other parts of your operation as well. This is simply saying you need to preserve the data. The requirements, however, they're saying you need to apply the appropriate security requirements, which is beneficial not just for the DoD contract information, but is beneficial for your whole operation. The whole idea of segregating the data into different disks, different network domains, so that you don't have the same access given to your CDI, to your employee information, as is on your openly facing public website, that's a good way of structuring things.
We designed the program, we've done it twice now with Dr. Newman, and it's been very effective at demystifying a lot of these controls and breaking it down in such a way that the businesses understand what they need to do in order to meet a lot of these controls, but also why it's important that they meet these controls.